Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it feels so good to say this after so long because I've been sharing YouTube shorts, but I'm back to sharing long videos because I know how much you guys love hauls. I know you guys used to love my hauls. So I did a huge Nykaa haul and I can't wait to share this with you guys. So let's just get started. Guys, let's start with skincare first. So first is this simple face wash and this is my restock. I can't stop raving about this face wash because it is so amazing. It is so gentle. It has 100% soap free for all skin types, no color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals, and it doesn't upset your skin no matter which weather. I've used this product. I've always loved it, day, night, anytime. So I really like it. It's very gentle for all skin types, even if you have sensitive skin. I recommend this for all skin types. You can definitely check this out. The link will be in the description. Next up, I have this Wishcare sunscreen. This is a body sunscreen because we always use sunscreen on our face and we forget to use a body sunscreen. And I'd heard so much good stuff about this that I wanted to try it. So it comes like this, and this is the texture, and it's a little thick, but let me just apply it and show you. It says that this is made of ceramide, glycerine, oats, squalene, hyaluronic acid, so basically all good things. And also this has niacinamide, ceramides, carrot seed and raspberry, SPF 50, PA triple plus, and it's really smells also good, and it blended well into my skin, so it seems very nice. So I am looking forward to trying this. I will definitely do a review on my either YouTube shorts or reels or my stories, so definitely follow me on Instagram. The link will also be in the description. This is the handle, so definitely I'll definitely try to do a review for you guys. It seems very promising. You can definitely check it out. Guys, next up I have my favorite hair care shampoo. This is the L'Oreal Vitamino Color Shampoo. If you have colored hair, this is the best shampoo to ever use. I have been repurchasing bottles and bottles of these, and then I got a mask free along with this. This is the Absolute Repair. This has gold quinoa, so looking forward to trying this mask also. But this shampoo, if you have colored hair, definitely check it out. So what I do is first I cleanse with a cleansing shampoo, and then I use it on my hair ends, and it makes my hair smell amazing, and also it makes my hair really soft. So definitely check this out. Guys, I have a bunch of Swiss Beauty products because Swiss Beauty has so many launches, and I was so excited. I have seen so many reels on Instagram about these Swiss Beauty new launches, and I purchased a lot of them because Swiss Beauty had an offer, like if you buy 2 products or more, they would give a colored eyeliner free, which is from their Pop Eye collection. First off, they have this My Shine lipstick, and trust me you guys, you have to wait to see this. Firstly, you have to click like this, and it comes in this heart shaped packaging. So it is so cute. Let me just show you up close. So this heart shaped design, and trust me, it is so buttery smooth. So let me show you a swatch. It is so creamy and shiny. It's like a gloss and a lip balm and like a lipstick in one. I highly recommend this, and the shade that I'm trying is called It's Rouge, and I think I'm going to try one more shade in this. So it is a really pretty lipstick. If you want a lip swatch, I will be definitely sharing YouTube shorts or reel for all the Swiss Beauty new launches. So wait for that and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any notifications. So guys, next up, Swiss Beauty launched this lip oil, and so this is a tinted lip oil, and it comes in 3-4 variants, and I got the strawberry variant, and the packaging is so freaking cute. And this is like clear, but because it reacts to the pH of your lips, it turns a little baby pink. And they have, I think, kiwi and 1 or 2 more shades. So this goes on clear. Let's just wait for like a minute, and I think it's gonna, so it's like a lip oil, so it's going to moisturize your lips, plus it's going to hydrate it and make it look plumpy and a little pink effect. So if you like just like a gloss kind of a look, even you can even pair it over, you can wear a lipstick over it also. So it's very nourishing, and this is what it looks like. I hope you can see this pinky color. I don't know if it is coming on camera, but it's a really pretty color, and I've swatched this on my lips, so I will be sharing a YouTube shorts very soon, so stay tuned for that. So guys, next up we have the Swiss Beauty Eye Sparkle Sketch Eyeliners, and oh my god, they are so pretty. Just look at the silver shade. It is so blingy. So they have a lot of colorful shades: blue, golden, green, pink. So they are so pretty, and because I couldn't stop myself from buying this because it is so pretty. I absolutely loved this product, and it looks so pretty on the eyes. I'll definitely do a Swiss Beauty tutorial, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you want a review of any specific products separately, please comment down. Next up we have this Color Me Happy eyeliners. Again, they are colored eyeliners, and they have them in various shades. I got this lilac one. I'll definitely link up all the links in the description, so check them out. So this is a very pretty color, and this is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now also. So look at this beautiful lilac color. It's like so stunning and gorgeous. It's matte, it's smudge proof, so you're going to love this. And they have a lot of pretty neon bright colors, so check them out. Next up I have this Swiss Beauty Pop Eye eyeliners, and these are pretty affordable. I think they come around for rupees 100 bucks. This is the shade swatch of this green and blue eyeliners. So I've never tried these kind of very bright eyeliners, but I'm looking forward to do a graphic eyeliner with these. Pretty good for college going people or people who love graphic eyeliners, so you can definitely check out. They have a lot of other shades, like I think yellow, pink, and other colors, and looking forward to try all this. All these products you can check out in the description below. Guys, these have dried down, so I wanted to show you a smudge test. So let me just smudge these and let's see if they are long lasting. So you can see that they are all smudge proof, so they are worth buying, so check them out. So guys, next up we have this Swiss Beauty Take Me Anywhere eyeshadow palette, and just look how beautiful the packaging is. So this is the outer carton, and this is so travel friendly. Let me just show you. So basically, of course, this comes with this like protector, and then you have such gorgeous shades. I hope you can see it in the camera. So basically they have all neutral 9 shades, and they have 2 blushes, 1 contour shade and 1 highlight shade. And I've used this palette once, and trust me guys, I was so super amazed. So let me give you some 1 or 2 swatches on my hands, but yes, I will be sharing a detailed eyeshadow look with this palette, so stay tuned for that. And these are so stunning. They also have one more eyeshadow shade in this, so you can check that out if you want more colorful looks. But this is like a stunning neutral palette, and trust me guys, it retails for around 600-700 bucks, which is so budget friendly, because you have contour, highlight, blush, and even eyeshadow shades. So if you want to travel anywhere, you can just easily travel with this. So definitely check this out. I really like this because I love how neutral shades look at any time, day or night. So let me give you some swatches, guys. So I swatched these this shade, this shade, this shade, and this shade. So let me just show you all of these. So these are the swatches. They are so buttery and pigmented. Only this glitter shade is a little like it is a little glittery, but if you like that look, then it's good. But otherwise these are so smooth and so pigmented, and this is like the matte shade, which is so pigmented. So these are so easily blendable. I really like the color story of this palette, and even the other one looks pretty nice. So if you are on a budget and looking for a good palette, definitely check this out. Link will be in the description. Next up I have a very nice star product, and that is the Kiro 4 Play stack. So this is a lipstick stack. So this is a nude lipstick stack, which is so pretty. I love the packaging. You can easily travel with this, and it has amazing nude shades. So it comes in 2 variants. One is a Supreme Quad, which is this one, and the other one is called the Ultimate Quad. So both are like nude shades. This has more nude shades, so that has more reddish brown shades, and this looks so pretty. I am wearing one of the shade right now, so I have the full version of it also. It is called the Nude Lily shade. It's a very pretty shade. I absolutely love this nude lipstick, and it was there in this stack also. Cinnamon nude, which is also there in it. It's a very pretty stack. So let me just give you a swatch. You will definitely need this. So guys, check out the swatches. How gorgeous is this stack? Absolutely love it. Love. because I have enough nude lipsticks, said no girl ever. I absolutely loved the nude shades, especially if you have my skin tone or if you have a medium to light skin tone, you will love this. And even for darker skin tones, like there are one or two shades which will go on you. Darker skin tone, you can check out the other variant, but if you're my skin tone or medium wheatish skin tone, then you can also check this out. I absolutely love it. Link in the description. If you are a fan of Korean makeup or Korean, if you've seen Korean dramas or K dramas, then you know that the actresses put a really amazing lip tints, and this brand is a Korean makeup brand, and I saw that on Nykaa. I had to buy lip tints, glass lip tints, or like juicy, like amazing lips. This brand is called Rom, and they are like very very famous. You will try this, you will, sometimes you will not even want to wear a normal lipstick. Some days where you want like juicy lips, then you should go for this juicy lasting tint. It's so gorgeous. Let me just share a swatch. They have a lot of shade range, especially in the nude and red range. And this one is the Fixing Matte tint. So this is it's a very pretty shade. It's called Cranberry Plum. This is a matte fixing tint from Etude House, and this does not make your lips dry, but you can always use a lip balm underneath if you are wanting to wear it for a very long time, but they will not make your lips dry. So this is like a more sheared out version that I've put from the same fixing tint, and this one is the full opacity that you get. Like, so it's a very pretty color. It's called Cranberry Plum, and they have really amazing shades in it, so you can definitely check this out. It's a little on the pricier side. It's around 900 bucks, but there are always discounts running on Nykaa, and the link will be in the description, so you can directly buy it on discount. So check this out. So next up I have this juicy lasting tint, and the shade name is Bear Grape. So look at this glass like tint, and I absolutely love it on my lips. I will insert a picture if I find, for the lip swatch of this lip tint. It's like a no makeup look, and makes your lips look so juicy and plump. I absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna buy more shades in this. This is so freaking gorgeous, this one. And look at the packaging, so cute. So don't miss and check this out. So guys, next up to this amazing hero product. So this is from Tipsy Beauty. I'm sure you must have heard of this brand's name. They have such amazing products. So this is their Silk Cushion Blush. So this literally went viral on Instagram. So look at the packaging. It is so luxe. It looks like a Christmas hanging that you put on your Christmas tree. It's so festive, and love the packaging. So this looks like this. So this is like a dupe of Charlotte Tilbury blushes, and I absolutely loved it. And this specific shade, Bouquet of Roses, is like my favorite. They come in, I think, two shades, and comes in the packaging like so, that this is like a exact dupe of Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the shade. This is called Bouquet of Roses. It is so pretty, and it blends so amazingly, and it stays so long on your face. I've worn this, and literally it lasted me for more than 4-5 hours. And trust me, if I don't even layer it with like a matte blush, it still lasts so long. Blends so nicely. It blends so nicely, and it gives you a nice flush of color. So obviously right now it's like I've taken a lot, so it's a little pigmented, so you have to take little bit, and it goes a long way. Like, really pretty blush. Definitely check this out. Talking about Charlotte Tilbury, so here it is. So this is the highlighter, and this is the blush, but they also have a highlighter which is exactly, just look at this, it looks exact the same. This is the Charlotte Tilbury highlighting wand. So this is the Pillow Talk Beauty Light wand. So I love this. I'm wearing this on my cheeks right now. I don't know if you can tell the shine. So this is so amazing, but of course this is very pricey. So this is over 3,000 something, but definitely if you are looking for a good highlighting wand, like if you're getting married, or if you want to invest in a highlighter, that you're a highlighter freak like me, definitely check this out. This is very blinding. They also have darker shades for darker skin tones. I don't know if you can make it out on camera. Like, this looks so gorgeous on your face. This is the Pillow Talk Light. I don't know, because the red swatch underneath is looking darker on camera, but like Trust me, you can see it on my face and it looks so blinding and so pretty. So if you want to invest in this, definitely go for it. Else you can always check out the Tipsy Beauty one. I'll link that also in the description, so check it out. Guys, I'll quickly go over my restocks, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Primer. This is the dewy smooth variant. They also have the mattifying variant, and I absolutely highly recommend this primer to every skin type. So if you are a dry skin type, then you will like this one more, but if you are oily skin type, you like the matte one more. But I highly recommend, very affordable, very nice. I have this Faces Canada lip gloss. This is in the shade Babe. I absolutely love this. It's a very pretty pink gloss. Let me share you a swatch. It always is in my handbag whenever I want to top it off. I love how it glides on your skin. Glossy pinky lips. I absolutely highly recommend you try this. Also the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. If you watch, this comes for around 400 something, and this comes for I guess 700 or something. So yeah, it comes for 800 rupees. So like if you are looking for investing in a good gloss, just look at the packaging. It's so pretty, and this again is a pink color. So this is called Shade Petal. It was viral on Instagram. I had to buy this because I'm a pink gloss person, and I love the wand on it. I love how like the color looks. I think it has really nice other shades also, which is like, I guess one is a little bronzy, and the other one is a little berry color. Like glosses, then check this out. So this is the swatch of the Maybelline one. It's very reflective and shiny. Check it out. I know the video has been really long, but I have to share one or two more products which are really worth trying. So this is the Lemon lip tinted plumping oil. So this again has a pinkish tint because it reacts to the pH of your lips. So look at the packaging. It like really is pretty fancy. This again was an impulse buy because of Instagram, and it's a very nice clear lip oil. It gives very nice hydration to your lips, plus it'll become baby pink in color when you're going to be wearing it on your lips. So I hope you can see the baby pink tint. So it's a really nice, and it's very affordable. Yeah, this is for 450. So this is a really nice lip oil. If you want to try one, I would suggest you the Swiss Beauty one more. I mean, I found it more hydrating, and this is also nice, but of course this has more pink. So obviously if you want like more pink, then you can go for the Lamel one, and if you want like natural one, then you can go for the Swiss Beauty one. So guys, next up I want to talk about K Beauty eyeliners. They are so freaking bomb. So they also come in these gel liners, which are like like these pencil forms. So these are really nice, but you have to sharpen them. And they also have these matte liners which you can roll on easily. So I obviously prefer the roll on ones, but these are matte. And if you're looking for like creamy shimmery shiny gel liners, then you can check these out. They are really nice packaging, very pigmented, smudge proof, are so freaking pretty. I hope you can see it. So pretty, and they are smudge proof. So definitely K Beauty also has a good offer, though check the links in the description and shop them now. If you're following me on Instagram, or if you check my makeup posts, then you might know that I rave about this NYX Epic Ink liner. I've been using it since many years. Again, it's a restock. It's like jet black. It's very easy to make wing strokes with this, and it dries matte. So it's really nice. If you're looking for a nice sketch eyeliner, definitely check this out. So guys, lastly I got this makeup sponge from a brand Prosh. Earlier it was Plume, so I got it a while back, but I haven't tried it, and I'm looking forward to trying this. It's again available on Nykaa. I've heard such good things about it. The link will be in the description. And guys, after such a big haul, I got also this free product from Biolarge. I think it's a hair serum. Let me know which was your favorite product from this haul. I absolutely loved all these products. They are somewhat like really cult classics, so definitely check them out. All the links will be in the description. And yes guys, let me know what all videos would you like to see from me next. There is a very huge lifestyle and Miniso haul coming up next. So I also got this very cute cutter from Miniso. So if you want to see these cute things and you want to see this cute haul, then comment below and let me know, yes, you're looking forward for that next. So I will share that video next. And definitely like this video, because that will give you more notifications of my videos. And definitely hit the bell, because that's how you'll be notified of new upcoming videos. And subscribe, definitely click on that red subscribe button. It's all free, so please do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more amazing hauls and vlogs. So I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye guys.